In this video, I will be disassembling this Kia K5 LED headlight. Here is the part number on the light. I will begin by removing the rear LED module. The lens is already heavily damaged. This light does use permaseal glue. I will begin by cutting off the rest of the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. There's a connector on the lens for the front LEDs. There are many Phillips head screws holding the bezel to the lens. Next, I'll remove the wire harness. I will remove the remaining Phillips head screws holding on the light bar and LED module. The side light bar and the front lower light bar are two separate pieces. Each light bar has its own front diffuser. Here's the upper corner LED. Here is the control module that is located inside of the light. There are two Phillips head screws holding it in. In order to remove the projectors, we first must loosen these three adjusting mounts. I'm going to turn all of the adjusting mounts to the left as far as possible. At this point, we should be able to pop off the lower mounts for the outer projectors. With those off, you want to pull the projector assembly away from the light. Here you can see that it's a U-shaped clip for the upper mount. Simply unclip and release the wire harness. The inner projector has two fixed mounts. You need to pop these off. Again, simply just disconnect the wire harness. The last thing we need to do is unclip the wire harness connector and remove the wire harness. From the rear, simply turn the connector to the right. It is hard to see, but there is a Phillips head screw behind this last wire harness connector. The wire harness is now free from the light. The housing is now empty. I'm going to remove the 4 screws holding on the cover for the control module. Here's the control module board. This one is heavily water damaged. Here's the corner LED. There's no actual PCB, it is just a ribbon cable. Here's the main wire harness. Here's the corner light bar diffuser. Here's the front light bar diffuser. Here are the two light bars. This is the inner projector. There are 3 Phillips head screws holding on the mount. There are 2 Phillips head screws holding on the upper reflector. There's a single Phillips head screw holding on the bezel. The lens is sandwiched between 2 pieces of plastic. Here's the projector LED. Here's the dual outer LED projectors. There are 3 Phillips head screws holding on the lower bracket. There are 2 screws holding on the reflectors for each projector. There are 2 screws holding on this bracket. Each lens mount is held on by 1 Phillips head screw. Again, each lens is sandwiched between the bezel and the plastic holder. There are 2 clips holding it to the main assembly. There are 2 clips holding the outer and inner plastic pieces together. Here's the LED PCB for each projector. Here's the DRL module. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.